Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab legs at home. First, select high-quality crab legs, whether fresh or frozen. If frozen, ensure they are fully thawed in the refrigerator, which usually takes about 8 to 12 hours. Next, prepare your cooking area by gathering a large pot, a steamer basket if you have one, and tongs. This initial setup ensures a smooth cooking process and delicious results. There are several excellent ways to cook crab legs. Steaming is a popular choice, as it gently heats the crab, keeping the meat tender and juicy. Simply add about 1 inch of water to a large pot, insert a steamer basket, and steam for 5 to 7 minutes. Boiling is another straightforward method. Just immerse the legs in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. For a different taste, grilling offers a delicious, smoky flavor. Once cooked, it's time to enjoy your delicious crab legs. Serve them hot with plenty of melted butter and fresh lemon wedges for dipping. Provide crab crackers and small forks to help everyone easily extract the sweet meat from the shells. Complement your meal with simple side dishes such as corn on the cob, a fresh salad, or some roasted potatoes to complete the experience. To ensure the best experience, remember not to overcook your crab legs, as this can make the meat rubbery. They are already cooked when you buy them, so you are just reheating them. If you have any leftovers, gently reheat them in a steamer or oven to retain their tender texture. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's perfect for tackling those post-crab shell messes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.